Welcome back. Now, our ultimate goal is to get as many people sharing our campaign as possible. And inside of the published area, you're going to see two panels here. And you're going to be able to copy this link and share it inside of your existing network. So for example, if we click copy this link, the individual that clicks this link will see the beginning of our campaign. They go to download the report. They'll then be sent to the share page. And it's made easy for us to share to our Facebook page, our Twitter account, our LinkedIn account, and our Pinterest account. Now, there may be individuals that are already part of our email marketing list that we want to share the campaign also, because that will give us additional leverage. To do that, we're going to click this share button. And what you'll notice is that we have within this dialog all of our autoresponders. And if we're going to be using our MailChimp autoresponder, in this case we will, we can make it so that we can copy a link that we can place inside of our autoresponder message so the individuals that click it can share the message even though they're already part of our existing email marketing list. And this will allow your email subscribers to share in various ways. Share on Facebook, share on LinkedIn, Twitter, and even in another email. So this is how you will involve existing subscribers inside of your campaign. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.